Hey there, what's up? Today I will show you the 5 best web browsers of 2020. Option number 1. That will be Torch, and it'll go ahead and once you go ahead and download it, it's going to go ahead and give you that little icon right there. So let's go and what I like about this, as always, you have to be careful with any software out there. Okay, so what I really like about this software right here, this browser, it has a media grabber. You can go ahead and download videos with just one click. Let's say you go ahead and want to download a YouTube video. All you do is pretty much click on that video that you want, and right here where you see this little arrow, it's gonna actually light up to it's gonna be like in blue color. All you do is click that and that's it. You're able to download any video, and you're able to download torrents. It has a Torch player as well, Torch facelift. This is pretty cool. You can go ahead and design your Facebook with a different page, add the colors a different way, and games, music as well. So let's go ahead and kind of take a quick look at how it looks. The games right here, you the only thing you will have to do is just pretty much click on any game that you want to go ahead and play, and that's it. And the music, I'm not going to go ahead and play any music because that will be a copyright. So let's say you wanted to go ahead and play this right here. The only thing you will have to do is click that play button, and that's it. And right here you can go ahead and start searching for different other music. That's the music right there, and the media downloader, which is the one that I mentioned to you for the videos, and the torrents. You can go ahead and download your torrents and add them right here. So, and right here, this is your main page. You can customize it, change the background color, add different sites that you're constantly are looking at. And right here, let's say you want to go ahead and add a reminder. You want to go ahead and add a reminder. Let's say tomorrow you're gonna watch a game or something. That way, every time you go ahead and open your browser, it's gonna be right there. So you can add different notes as well. Just different reminders. You can move your note. So that's a pretty cool browser. As always, you have to be careful with every browser where you go to and everything. So that's my first option right here on this list. Option number 2. Okay, and the next option is going to be this one right here. It's going to be Coco browser. It's going to go ahead and give you this icon right here. This particular browser, the best thing I like about this browser is that it can pretty much download any video from any site. And let's just go ahead and do a quick test. Okay, the only thing you do is, let's say you go ahead and click to YouTube, and let's go to my channel, because otherwise it's going to be a copyright. Okay, let's say that you wanted to, let's pretend you want to go ahead and download this one right here. The only thing you will have to do is go ahead and click that green button right there, and that's it. It'll go ahead and download the video. So that's the main feature that I like about this particular browser right here. And you can also customize it. You can go ahead and put this over on the right hand side, and you can go ahead and change the wallpaper right there. See, it changes the wallpaper. So this is a cool browser. You can go ahead and add different sites that you're constantly logging into right here, and it also has this right here. You can add your favorites. You also have your Messenger. You have your Facebook. You have YouTube pin right there. So this is another cool browser that I recommend. It's safe, and It's pretty cool as well. So Coco browser. We move on to option number 3. Alright, now the next option I have, it's Lunascape. This is going to go ahead and be available for Windows, Mac, and Android only, okay? It's not available for Linux, which I think will be really cool if it would be available for Linux. But this it has comfortable high-speed browsing. You can go ahead and search with 3 different built-in engines, as you can see right there. These are the search engines that it has by default, and you can definitely go ahead and switch on all 3 of them. I would recommend this one right here, the second one, which is a Geeko. I believe out of all 3 of those, this is the best option. And what I like about this browser right here, you can have like probably 3 or 4 tabs or more, and the only thing you do is you can kind of, let's say you want to go ahead and watch a video right here on this one, then probably start browsing while you're kind of looking at the your video right there. Or plus it gives you the option right here to go ahead and kind of keep them organized the way that you want these right here, or this way, or vertically as well, or you can go ahead and customize this as well. It has these different skins right there, and it's a pretty cool browser. I would definitely recommend. And as mentioned, you can go ahead and have probably 10 or more tabs, and with one click you can have them all organized. And I really don't think there's another browser I think that has this particular feature. So that's my third option for you right there, Lunascape. We go ahead and move to option number 4 now. This next option right here, it's going to be UC browser. Okay, and this is the main page right here, and right when you go ahead and download it, it's going to be available for Android, iPhone, Windows Phone, and Java. So it's not available for Mac, this version right here. Alright, so it has a lot of built-in features as well. It has a pretty cool screenshot tool right there, so you want to go ahead and take a screenshot of that, and you can go ahead and customize it. And say you want to go ahead and save it, or you can also go ahead and edit it a little bit before you kind of save it or whatever. And you can go ahead and put some text as well. It has different styles of text as well, and size, so has pretty cool right there. So alright, that's that feature right there. And then what I like about this, you can go ahead and change the themes as well. It has a theme center, and right there, this is the, you can go ahead and select your preferred style of, that way you can have all of your bookmarks. And I like this one right here. I think this is pretty cool right there. So yeah, I think this is a pretty cool way of having all of your favorites right there. And you can go ahead and add some more as well. And let's say you want to go ahead and access this one right here. So that's just one click really quick. So this is a pretty cool way of having all of these right there. So that's the fourth option that I have for you. It's UC browser. We go ahead and move on to option number 5 now. Alright, and last but not least, and this is probably going to be my favorite right now. So this is it right here. It's going to be Brave web browser right here. So this will be the icon that you get with this one, because it has the feature that probably the other ones are really good at keeping your information safe, but this one, it's really top priority. This one is top notch whenever it comes to security. This is the browser that you want to go ahead and install if you want to have security. It's going to go ahead and fight malware. It's going to go ahead and prevent tracking or keep your information from not being secure. So this is going to be top priority whenever it comes to security, and safe browser. So this is the one that I would recommend. What I like about this browser as well is that whenever you go ahead and listen to music, like for example YouTube, it's not gonna go ahead and allow any ads or anything like that. So let's say you want to go ahead and just listen to music for probably a couple hours or so, you can do so without any ads or anything like that. And it's you can go ahead and have the extensions as well. You can do that, and you can also customize it. You can definitely customize it to the level of security that you want, but it's if you go ahead and add and block everything, and you don't want that. So it does have a high level of security whenever it comes to the browsing. So you can go ahead and add a lot of sites that you don't want to go ahead and you know have your browsing really safe. So you can see right there, total ads and trackers blocked 307, and you can go ahead and add some more right there. But if you do add a lot of them, they're gonna go ahead and pretty much block everything. So it tells you right there on the home page, right there, all the trackers that have been blocked. So that's my number one choice, and I wanted to go ahead and get these browsers out there for you. Some of them may not be commonly known, like Firefox and Google Chrome, and probably Opera and Vivaldi, which those Vivaldi and Opera are two great options as well too, I think. So okay, thank you very much. I wanted to go ahead and get these out there for you. So let me know what you think, if you have other browsers that you think should be on a list as well. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.